Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
Not Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Galliano. This is the Dutch version of their liqueur.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, you got yourself a baseball bat there.
Oh, I do. You know how excited I get about cool bottles. This is Galliano, the Dutch version. So about a year ago, we heard the French version, 60 proof. Well, they changed it over. Now a Dutch company makes this. Bumped this proof up to 84.6. Now that's what I'm talking about for a liqueur. And like I said, you got a baseball bat. I mean, look at this thing. You could beat people with it. If I'm going to go in a bar and need a weapon, I'm using this bottle. Plus, it's got these cool little curves in there. I put a nice dent in somebody's forehead. It's really nice. All right. So anyway, this is originally
carbonated.
Do what?
So is that carbonated? It looks like after you shook it around.
I don't know. It's got bubbles.
Bubbly.
It's bubbly. Anyway, like I said, Galliano Autentico. It is 42.3%. Originally made in Italy in 1896. This version is from Holland. Like I said, we previously reviewed this cool French version, which we'll compare here in a minute. All right. It is named after the Giuseppe Galliano, an Italian hero of the First Italo-Ethiopian War. Now, this version is also made yellow to remind Italians who moved to California during the gold rush of their homeland, and that gold is yellow. Well, they accomplished that by adding a shitload of yellow number 5. Good job, guys, because if anybody doesn't know, that's friggin' yellow. And this other one's like friggin' neon yellow. I don't know. There's some crazy yellow going on here. Anyway, this particular version is made with juniper berries, caraway seed, cardamon, sandalwood, star anise, cinnamon, sage, thyme, mint, lavender, and Madagascar vanilla. It is the Autentico is used in multiple macerations, distillations, blended from 9 different components. Some famous cocktails are the Golden Cadillac, the Harvey Wallbanger, the Hot Shot, the Martini, the coffee, and iced coffee. It's very good in those, it says on their website. So let's see what we think of this beautiful baseball bat, Galliano Autentico.
Looks like pee.
Oh, yeah. Doesn't smell as sweet as the Rihanna, which is supposed to be the, what do you call it, a replacement for it. This smells nothing like the Rihanna at all.
It's definitely herbal.
Yeah, herbal, way more like, it is anise, but I smell one more like juniper and cloves and cinnamon.
There's a slight anise in the background, but it's not
it's not the predominant. It's like
licorice dominant. Right.
This smells more of a gin than it does of most liqueurs that you have us drinking.
Yeah, like sage, vanilla bean, cinnamon, bit of that thyme in there.
Oregano.
Cardamom and oregano.
It smells like Italian seasonings.
It does.
Yeah, basil, lavender. It smells really nice. I like the way it smells. This is more muted, higher proof. I like the way this smells. Really nice.
Almost get like a rosemary chicken.
Oh, you really do. Yeah, like a grilled rosemary chicken. Wild.
Yeah. There's a protein note in there. It's very odd.
That is really interesting for a liqueur. Very interesting. Yeah. All right. See how it tastes.
Whoa, sugar.
Nice and thick and sugary.
Oh, I did not get that on the nose.
That is really thick.
Yeah, it's very syrupy, sugar syrupy.
Super oily.
It does have a little bit more of the licorice, black licorice feel on the palate than it did on the nose for me.
Yeah.
But the other
nice
spices going on there kind of
nice
overpower it.
Cloves, cardamom.
I still get like a sage, ginger.
Yeah.
Like you're saying, clove, cardamom.
Oregano.
Kind of vibe. Man, that first blush is just sweetness.
It really is. Yeah, it's got a nice finish though with that vanilla, lavender, thyme, mint finish to it. The anise is there, but it's not punch in the face like the Rihanna we just drank at all. Agreed. I like it. I think it's nice. It is really thick. It is sugary, no doubt. It's good though. So let's see if we compare it to the old French version. Let's see what the difference in that is. Oh, whoa, this smells totally different.
You say
it's like almost medicinal, the old one.
Yeah.
The old one has a lot more lemon going on in it.
Yeah, like a
lemon. A lot of lemon.
Like a cough drop.
Take a sip.
Yeah, the anise is almost completely gone.
Completely gone. Yeah.
It's
it's
got sugary sweetness. Taste wise, let's see.
Oh, it's so much sweeter. Oh, I thought the first one was sweet. It was nothing in comparison to the last one.
Yeah, but that one, It tastes completely different. It doesn't have as much of the seasonings going on in there. It doesn't have the black licorice. It has more citrusy
and vanilla
going on in there than the new one.
And it ends in a vanilla. It ends in a fake vanilla oil.
Definitely. I really like the new version way better.
And see, I like the old version better.
This Dutch version to me is much more. It's less sugary. It's both sugary and sweet, but it's less. It's more those baking spices, whereas this is just sugary sweet with that lemon. I like it. I mean, I like them both. They're both good, but they're very different products. To me, they're very different.
Yeah, they are. If the new one didn't have as much licorice as it does, I would like it more. But it just has just a little bit too much licorice for me to be like, yeah, I'm gonna grab that and make a drink with it.
I was not expecting this big of a difference.
It's a huge difference.
Wow, that's like two different products. Now I wonder if I could find someone who had like a really old bottle that was actually from Italy, how that compares. My mom might have one. I'm looking at her cabinet next time I go there. What hers is from like the 70s. Ooh, we could do 70s Galliano. That could be fun.
All right.
Only on this channel we do silly shit like that.
That was definitely an interesting comparison.
Yeah, I thought that was fun.
All right. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell and come check us out live on Monday nights. Until next time.
Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Galliano.
The Dutch version is Galliano Autentico.
Galliano Autentico.
Yep.
Dutch.
5, 4.